Day 22. Here we come. Let's open it. I should stop doing this. Okay, another set of stickers, or what is this? Oh, it's a patch. Ooh, that's interesting. Reading is dreaming with open eyes. It's a patch for clothes. I don't know how this works actually. Do you just like stick it on top of it and on top of clothes and iron it, right? It's kind of cute idea. I mean, I'm not a fan of those, but it's a cute idea for sure. So this is Vlogmas day what? Day what? 22, and I'm just sitting here chilling with my girl. And she's apparently getting even comfier here and gonna sleep there. Dude, I have other plans, but okay. She's the cutest though, look at her. Oh, I love her. Hey, cutie. Hey, my cutie. Yeah, I know. Like, seriously. Anyway. It's been a lot of things, guys, but I've been mostly, you know what I'm doing every day, all day, every day? Editing vlogs so they get out, that all of those get out till Christmas, which I'm not sure it will, because I'm on around Vlogmas 9, but I'm already done with 10 and 11. So as soon as I'm done with 9, I'm gonna publish 9, 10, and 11. And then I'm gonna do 12, 13, 14. And yeah, I'm gonna try, but I have to film, which I have no, I like don't want to film these days because I'm like, it's Christmas time and whatever. I don't want to film this time. But I still like trying to show up here, and because I wanted to do this, I want to pull this through and see it through until the end. So yeah, so we're doing this. I mean, I'd do this all day, every day if I could. Look at that happy face. Look at that happy face. Lola. Lola. Like, cute or what? Let me show you the cups that I got. Like, what? I mean, I showed you already, but let's see it in the cupboard. Like, how cute are these? How cute! I love them. This one is really nice. This is not Christmassy, but I love it. And this is one of my favorite, probably. This guy's my favorite. That guy's probably not very comfy to drink from, but this guy is very nice to drink from. Obviously there's not gonna be much these days. I mean, the previous vlogs some are really long ones, and of course I add some random vlogs from before that I didn't publish, which is I think I'm gonna be doing with this vlog because there's nothing to say, you know. I just want to chill. I don't want to be doing this, but I'm mostly editing, reading, and trying to keep up with all the challenges, which is really hard because I didn't realize that's so much work. And you know, I put so much onto myself, like the 30-day 10K challenge, the Vlogmas thing, the Vlogmas on TikTok, YouTube, and big YouTube, or YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and YouTube long video format. And that's a lot. That's like crazy a lot. And I feel like I should be able to do it better or more structured, but you know, you have life to live. It's not the only thing you're doing. But I kind of feel this is my main thing that I'm doing, and still I have to eat, I have to run errands, I have to, you know, live my life in other ways. So that's like a lot at the time, and I'm gonna be glad when it's over, but I'm also glad I did it. It's really interesting, and of course I learned how to do things, how to do it better, faster, and whatnot, and that I can actually do it, you know. that I can just actually do it. And I mean, what? I never thought I could. Like, I always thought, oh my god, I need to do my makeup, I need to know how the light works, I need to know how the camera works. Of course I need to know that, but what is she doing? Okay, I don't know. I need to have all these crazy cameras that cost a lot of money, and like, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Yeah, but you know what? It was all excuses to not do something. And the thing is, I should stop making excuses and just be like, you know what? However not perfect it is, however, whatever is happening, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it how it is, how I can at the time. And then if I can do it better next time, then okay. If I cannot, then also okay. But the main idea you have to take from this is do it. No matter what. Like, excuses are bullshit and perfection does not exist. And also, like, why are we even talking about that? You should just do it. Just go ahead and do it. And my main giveaway also from all of that is like, what is that? Wait a second. So yeah, my main takeaway from everything that's been happening for a bit is like, we're gonna die anyway. If you're going to Pilates 3 times a week, if you're super healthy and eat only good food all day, every day, and drink lots of water every day, you're still gonna die. In newsflash, we're all gonna die. So it doesn't mean that you shouldn't do those things. It means that you should go all in. You should go all in on everything you ever wanted, and you should do it however you want to do it. And you're only it's only embarrassing if you're embarrassed. It's cringe only if you're cringy, whatever that means. Anyway, so yeah, that's the point. Do it, do it, do it, do it, no matter what. And that's why I'm doing it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm actually reading at the time. I was also getting some packages today, getting some groceries and stuff to prepare for the Christmas dinner, and I'm gonna bake some cookies tomorrow, which is a whole new thing as well. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but I want to film it, so that's one other thing, you know, like, I want to do it, but I also then have something to film, so that's good. What's happening? Dude, you okay? Look at him. He's so poised. He's so poised. Like, look at the guy. He's so pretty. He's such a pretty boy. You pretty boy? You're my pretty boy. I love them all, you know? I love them all. You pretty boy? You're a pretty boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. There's probably gonna be some random vlogs here.
You will get a sentimental feeling when you